The topic of this video is what is an injury to a young child worth in a car accident case? Now, we get these situations day in and day out at our law firm where children are in the back seat of a car during a car accident and a parent takes them to the hospital to be checked out. Usually the injuries to the children are not severe. We're talking about perhaps scrapes or abrasions from the car seat straps, or maybe just simply being knocked around a little bit in the back seat. Also, we see that children sometimes experience anxiety after an accident. I actually had a young mother who came in with her two children who were toddlers, and they were potty trained, and they urinated on themselves after the accident due to the anxiety from it, and then cried every time she tried to put them back in the car seat. So really was concerning to her. But overall, children are pretty resilient. They bounce back. They rarely suffer broken bones. Remember, they're usually strapped in that back seat in a car seat or in a travel seat, and they rarely experience the type of injuries that adults do, fortunately. But their cases still have value, and they have value because juries do feel sympathetic toward children, and so do insurance companies. So the claims for children are usually, if we're talking about a situation with no broken bones, again, what I previously described, took a child to the emergency room to be checked out, or maybe to a pediatrician to be checked out, and everything's okay. There really aren't any permanent injuries. The case to the child is going to be worth less than $10,000. I rarely see a case under those circumstances that equals $10,000. I'd say the general number is $1,500 to $2,500. Sometimes you push up close to $5,000 or $7,500. But again, you're talking about 1/3 for attorney's fees. You're talking about at least $1,000, $2,000, maybe up to $5,000 just for having your child checked out. Like I said, those claims are viable, and they're usually pretty easy to settle on behalf of the lawyer. So if your child was in the back seat of the car during an auto accident, definitely get them checked out and then present those records to your lawyer, because it really makes for an easy claim on the back end. So again, I hope that you are not in this type of accident, but if you are, hopefully this gave you some type of guidance.